All right, we've got The Score Takes Care of Itself, My Philosophy of Leadership by Bill Walsh. And I read this book because I really wanted to learn about leadership. I read it probably, I want to say 7, 8 years ago. And who better to learn from than a guy who took like the worst football team to become like known, a historical team who is known and recognized by people who like literally don't care about football at all. So obviously he's an amazing leader to learn from. And, you know, the basic vibe, without going into all the details, the basic vibe is you want to focus on the pathway, focus on what needs to be done now and getting better at what needs to be done now rather than just focusing on the results. Tie your identity to what it takes to succeed rather than the success itself. When you do what needs to be done and you consistently improve on what needs to be done, you get better every day, the score takes care of itself. So I highly recommend this book to anyone interested in leadership, whether you are the CEO of a massive company, you run a nonprofit, you are the manager of like a team within a company or within some sort of organization. Or you're just someone who wants to take control of your life, wants to become the leader of your life. Because as you become a leader of your life, you will just naturally become a leader in the world and become a leader to others. So highly recommend this book to anyone who is interested in learning about leadership and becoming a better leader.